Welcome back to the channel. Well, what you're looking at here is the new workshop for the YouTube channel and also for my projects. And I finally finished it. I wanted to do an overview of this thing because why not? There's so many of these videos on YouTube, might as well add mine to the mix. This is a premier portable building. This model is their cabin slash garage model. And they don't come like this. I just finished painting and staining and adding trim and so on and so forth. It's been a long day. But yeah, this is a 16 by 40, and some of the things I did on the outside of it to make it look not portable is I added a base plate all down the foundation down here. That's all pressure treated. Added it along the side, along the front, and around the back. And then I painted it the same color as the building. This happens to be the driftwood color. Then I went on ahead and to make it look like a house and finish it all off, I just added trim around the front, trim inside the deck, trim along the baseboards, and just kind of completed the overall look, because that's kind of how this thing is set up, is a bunch of trim. Custom added 10 windows to it, added the side doors, added a door on the back, added the French door. Yeah, so that's kind of the whole shot. I know when I was shopping for these, I appreciated these videos. Previous video shows the delivery of this thing. They did a great job doing it. Highly recommend for sure. It's kind of a process getting them in here, but once it's in here, it's done. Now I just got to add sod, but we backed it in to where one window would still be here in the chicken coop, which I'm in the process of fixing up, and then my garage door is on the very back. So let me take you in. I just put stain up here on the deck, so I don't want to step on it, but get an idea what the decks look like. And I added that little light. I'm gonna put electricity out here soon. There's the ceiling, and then I got the metal roof up here in stone. So here's a look at the company here. And these are the custom doors that they make. You can add these pretty cheap. And once we come up in here, plenty of room. Like I said, this is a 16 by 40, so I got a good amount of space back here to do projects, and I measured it out to where I can park 2 cars next to each other in here with some creative driving, which is nice. And then on this model, I actually custom designed it to where this is a taller garage door than what they sell. This is a 9-foot wide by 8-foot high door, so I can get the Jeep up in here. So if you look at it from this perspective, the peak height where the rafter goes flat is, I believe, 9'3". So plenty of room to get a lifted Jeep in here, or anything a little bit higher. Went with the Advantech reinforced floor. This, I believe, is a 3/4 inch tongue and groove, lifetime warranty. Definitely solid. And then I actually had the driver set this on the ground instead of up on blocks, because I don't want any weird bearing points across the foundation of the building when there's a car in here. These up here are still from the delivery. These 2 2x4s, those need to be pulled off. And you get a little bit of an attic up there that goes back 6 feet by 16 foot long, that goes over the porch. So the windows are pretty good. These are nicer than the windows in my house. And like I said, I added 10 of them in here. So 4 down one side, 4 down the other, and little door back there in case we ever do move this to a bigger property. I can have a service door. Adding this stuff while you're getting the building built is way cheaper than adding it after the fact. So Jax is up on the deck after I just stained it. Nice. So yeah, this is pretty cool though. Come in there. Got a nice little space out here to hang out. And you can see it's pretty long. So inside, I believe I have about I don't know, 34 feet, 33'6" inside long. So technically, you could bring a car in. You bring in one normal sized car and then park another one right behind it, and they would fit. Do your measurements before you order. But this is the overall kind of tour of it. Nothing special, just a big box, but it's a big, sturdy box, and hopefully the future home of lots of workbenches and cabinets and all that kind of stuff. I have a bunch of stuff planned for it. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to give a tour. If you guys have any questions, pipe them down below. And yeah, if you guys are in Florida, South Florida, definitely hit up Premier Portable Buildings. My rep is Dan or Logan. Deal with them. They're good guys. So all right, thanks for watching. Later.